Hello, student. Today we are starting chapter 1 Reproduction in Plant. Look around you. We see plant everywhere in park, in garden, farms, and even in pot. So, but have you ever thought how do new plant grow? So, today we will learn about this. Name of our chapter is Reproduction in the Plant, and the chapter preview is given here. So in this chapter, we will study mainly three main topics. What are those three topics? These are plant reproduction and its type. क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं हम? Plants reproduction and its type. Second हम क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं? सेकेंड हम पढ़ने वाले हैं सीड डिस्पर्जल. क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं? सीड डिस्पर्जल. एंड थर्ड हम मेनली क्रॉप और एग्रीकल्चर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, क्रॉप और एग्रीकल्चर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. एंड व्हाट यू विल लर्न in this chapter, you will be learning how plant reproduce. How plant reproduce. You are going to learn how plant reproduce, what seed dispersal means, and how we grow crop plant. How we grow crop plants. So by the end of this chapter, you will understood how plant make new plant and how farmer grow food for us. How farmer grows food for us. You will get to know after reading this chapter, okay? So why it is important to learn this? Okay, तो क्यों important है ये पढ़ना? Plant reproduce in many ways. They also have different ways to scatter their seed. Okay, so if all the seed fall in one place, the plant will not get enough space, water and sunlight. So we must learn how plant grows, how plant reproduce, how their seeds are dispersed, how we grow useful plant, certain useful plant on a large scale. So this helps us understanding farming. What? क्या understanding करने के लिए मदद करेगा? Understanding the farming and food production. How food production happen. This will make us learn that how food production happen. फूड प्रोडक्शन को सीखने में ये हमें मदद करेगा. ठीक है? And there is a warm up given here. You can see. Look around you. Look around you. We see many plants, है ना? There are different ways by which plant reproduce to make more of their kind, है ना? Do you know how plant give rise to new plant? You can comment your answer. So plant reproduce from seeds. From seeds. From stems. From roots. From leaves. So plant reproduce from seed, from stem, from roots and from leaves. You will learn all of this in this chapter. Okay, and from the end of this first page, है ना? From the end of this first page, today we will understood what the chapter is about, what we will learn, and why we need to learn this. You know, how plant reproduce. So this is the introduction. And now let us start the chapter. Living things reproduce. So we have learned that one of the feature of the living thing is that they reproduce. One of the feature of living thing is that they reproduce. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है ना, living thing reproduce. Reproduction means making new living things of same kind, of own kind. For example, a dog give birth to puppies or dogs, baby dogs, है ना? and apple tree grows into new apple tree only. ठीक है? So how do plant reproduce? Say, plant reproduce mostly through seeds. Through seeds. Some plant also reproduce through stem, roots and leaves. But the most common method is reproduction through seeds. Most common method is reproduction through seeds. ठीक है? Reproduction through seeds. सबसे कॉमन मेथड होता है. Seed is found inside the fruits of the plant. Seed is found inside the fruits of the plant. When we plant a seed, it grows into new plant. है ना? This happen ना? When we plant a seed, it grows into new plant. So let us look at the part of a bean seed. The seed has outer covering, that is seed coat. You can see here. This seed has an outer covering and this is seed coat. The seed coat protect the seed. Seed coat protect the seed. There is teeny holes in that seed coat. Teeny holes. क्यों होते हैं? Through this hole the seed get water. क्या? Water लेते हैं. Through this hole, the seed get water. Inside the seed, we see cotyledons. Cotyledons. Cotyledons are also called seed leaves. क्या बोलते हैं हम उन्हें? Seed leaves. Cotyledons are also called seed leaves. They store food for the baby plant because they store फूड फॉर द बेबी प्लांट. कोटिलोड को हम क्या बोलते हैं? कोटिलेडन को हम बोलते हैं सीड लीव्स. एंड cotyledons store food for the baby plant. And inside the seed there is an embryo. Inside the seed there is an embryo. Inside the seed there is an embryo. Okay. The embryo has a baby root and a baby shoot. You can see in the picture there is a baby root and baby shoot in it. So when the seed get air, water and warmth, it starts growing. When the seed get air, water and warmth, it start growing and the baby root grow downward. ये जो root है ना, this root will grow downward and the shoot will grow upward. है ना? The baby shoot grows upward. The seed grows into new plant in this way. Okay? In this way, this plant will grow into new plant. The seed will grow into new plant. Now look what is written here. Real world connect. Real world connect. डाइकोट एंड मोनोकोट के बारे में यहाँ पर मेंशन है. All seed do not have two seed leaves. All seed do not have two seed leaves. Seeds with two seed leaves are called dicotyledon. What they called? Dicotyledons. Seeds with two leaves are dicotyledons. Okay. All seed do not have two cotyledons. The seed with two leaves are dicotyledons. जैसे कि bean seed होता है. Seed with one leaf seed. Seeds with one seed leaf are called monocotyledonous seed. Okay. One seed leaf monocotyledonous seed. Okay. एग्जाम्पल क्या है इसके? मोनोकोटिलेडोनस सीड के एग्जाम्पल होते हैं मेज, व्हीट, राइस, जबकि डाइकोटिलेडोन के एग्जाम्पल है बीन्स। ठीक से, ओके, ठीक है। नाउ you have to answer me. What protect the seed? What protect the seed? Comment करो. What is embryo? Write in your answer notebook. What stores food? लिखो नोटबुक में. What store food? ये 3 क्वेश्चन है. What protect the seed? What is embryo? What stores food? है ना? And seeds with 2 cotyledons are called what? You need to answer that, okay? Now there is an activity given here. Test it yourself. Scientific proficiency, procedural fluency के लिए हम इसको पढ़ रहे हैं. So now let us do a simple activity. This activity will help us to see the baby plant inside the seed. Okay. So take few beans seed. Place them in a cup or glass of water. Soak them for 1 day. After 1 day, the seed will swell. The seed coat will become soft. Now gently remove the seed coat. Be careful, okay? Do not disturb the seed. You will see 2 leaves. These are called cotyledons. Now carefully open the cotyledons. Look inside the seed. What do you see there? Between the 2 cotyledons, you will see the embryo. The embryo is baby plant, and you will also see a tiny root and a tiny leaves. These will later grow into a new plant. So after doing this, एक दिन बाद you need to come back to this video and you have to tell me, can you see the baby root there? Can you see the teeny leaves there? You need to comment that. What is this baby plant called? So that is embryo. So look, our next topic is germination. When a seed falls on the soil and is planted in the ground, it needs the right condition to grow. Conditions required for a seed to grow are: the soil should be rich in nutrient, there should be plenty of air, there should be enough warmth, there should be adequate water. So the process by which a seed grow into seedling is called germination. सबसे पहले सोइल है, सोइल सरफेस में हम इसको ग्रो करेंगे. एपिजियल जर्मिनेशन, जिसमें यहाँ पर एक्टिव हाइपोकोटाइल प्रोड्यूस हुआ है. यहाँ पर सेकेंड स्टेज में है ना, लुक हियर. फिर उसके बाद जो कोटिलोडोन्स है और जो लीव्स है, ये इसमें कोटिलोडोन्स, लीव्स, देखो ये तो कोटिलोडोन्स था, ये लीव्स है, ये रूट्स है, अलग से आइडेंटिफाई हो रही है ना. उसके बाद ये देखो, ये स्टेज आएगी, स्टेज 4, और उसके बाद ये हमारा पूरा प्लांट बनके तैयार एकदम, है ना. तो स्टेप बाय स्टेप, फर्स्ट the seed is placed in the soil, it get water from the soil, है ना. The seed coat between, sorry, the seed coat become soft. After some time, the cotyledon also becomes soft. They open and the embryo starts to develop. The root and shoot begin to grow. No, the root and shoot start growing. During the early stage of germination, the seedling uses the food stored inside the seed, and the root begin to grow downward into the soil, and the shoot grow upward toward the sunlight. leaves appear on the shoot, and this young germinated plant is now called seedling. क्या कहलाती है ये यंग जर्मिनेटिंग प्लांट क्या कहलाता है प्यारा प्यारा? ये कहलाता है सीडलिंग. क्या कहलाता है? So this is seedling. क्या है ये? Seedling. This young germinated plant is now called seedling. The seedling absorbs water and nutrients from the soil with the help of roots, and the leaves take warmth and air. यानी कि leaves take air and sunlight. Now the plant start to prepare its own food. Now the plant start to prepare its own food, and slowly the seedling grow into new plant. Slowly the seedling grows into new plant. Okay, some plant can reproduce without seeds. Plant can grow new seeds from parts of their parent plants also. And these parts are stems, roots, leaves. Stems, roots, leaves. These are the part of the parent plant through which we can grow. What? We can grow some plant. देखो सीड से तो हो ही सकता है रिप्रोडक्शन, लेकिन स्टेम, रूट और लीफ से भी हो सकता है. So some plant can reproduce without seeds, and the plant can grow new plant from the parts of parent plant. And these part of parents are stems, roots and leaves. This method is called reproduction without seed. So one by one हम इनको पढ़ेंगे अब. Some plant can give rise to new plants through their stems. So this method is called reproduction through stem. Stem of plants such as rose, money plant, ginger, potato and onion can grow into new plant through stems. Okay. So if you plant the stem of rose plant, it can grow into new plant. So this is called stem cutting. क्या कहलाती है ये? Stem cutting. क्या कहलाती है? Stem cutting. So if you plant the stem of a rose plant, it can grow into new plant, and this is called stem cutting. Potato and ginger are underground stem. Okay. Potato and ginger are underground stem. If you plant them in the soil, they grow into new plant. Potato has small birds. Potato has small birds on it. These birds grow into new plant, and these birds are called eyes of the potatoes. Onion is also stem. If you plant an onion, it grow into new plant. Okay. So step 1. Stem cutting is planted here. है ना? Roots start growing here and leaves appear. And now this is fully developed plant with rose also. So a single stem can grow into a new plant, as you can see here. So any other example? You please comment. Which plant grow from stem? Answer. Potatoes grows from seed or stem? What are eyes of potatoes? Okay. So ये complete जो हमने अभी पढ़ा है, इसका वन लाइनर कंक्लूजन बताओ जल्दी से कमेंट सेक्शन में. क्या हो सकता है? इस पूरे का वन लाइन कंक्लूजन है, some plants reproduce through stems and the stems grows into new plant. Okay. Now students, let us do some simple activity to understand reproduction through stem. So take a small onion, place it in a water in a transparent cup. Keep it near the window where sunlight falls and observe the onion after 1 week. You will see a green shoot growing upward and a few roots growing downward. It will look similar to the picture shown here. You can see, है ना? After 2 weeks, the onion will grow more root and the shoot will also become longer. Now the plant, ये जो plant हमारा बना है, now the plant of onion, you need to plant this in the soil, and after some time it will grow into new onion plant, and this shows that onion can grow into new plant. So onion reproduce through stems. ये हमें पता चल गया. अरे वाह भाई वाह. What is reproduction through roots? ये देखो भाई क्या मस्त. कैरेट टॉप कैन ग्रो इनटू न्यू प्लांट्स लिखा हुआ है. ये बात बड़ी गजब की है. अगली बार तुम्हारे घर में जब भी कैरेट आए और ऐसे टॉप उसका कटा हुआ हो और उसके साथ में लीव्स हो, उसको सोइल में लगा देना. Some plants can reproduce through their roots. This method is called reproduction through roots, है ना? कुछ प्लांट ग्रो कर सकते हैं थ्रू देयर रूट्स, और ये जो मेथड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन है वो रिप्रोडक्शन थ्रू रूट्स कहलाएगा. रूट जैसे किन किन प्लांट की रूट ग्रो कर सकती है? कैरेट, टर्निप, रेडिश, बीट रूट कैन ग्रो इनटू न्यू प्लांट. इनकी जो रूट्स है वो न्यू प्लांट्स में ग्रो कर सकती है, कैन ग्रो इनटू न्यू प्लांट्स. सो if we plant these top part of the carrot in the soil, it can grow into new plant. ये भी new plant. Wow, काफी सारे प्लांट. खाओ, काटो, वापस से लगा दो. क्या मस्त चीज है. What is reproduction through leaves? ये पढ़ने से पहले वापस से इसको थोड़ा अच्छे से देख लेते हैं. ये इमेज आपको दिखाई दे रही है, अच्छे से दिख रही है ना? So first, the top part of this carrot is planted in the soil. Then small leaves start growing from the top, and after some time, it grows into new plant. This shows that some plants reproduce through roots. So student, carrot grow from the seed or root? बिल्कुल सही. Through roots. Name one plant that grows from the root. कमेंट करो. So one liner conclusion इसका ये है कि some plant reproduce through roots and roots grow into new plant. So some plant can reproduce through their leaves. है ना? And this method of reproduction is called through leaves. Reproduction through leaves. Leaves of the plants such as Birophyllum can grow into new plants. Birophyllum grows many small buds along the margins of its leaves. New plants grow from these buds. Birophyllum grows many small buds along the margins of their leaves, and new plant grows from these buds only. When these buds fall on moist soil, they grow into new plant. So we can also carefully remove these buds and plant them in a pot. So they will grow into many new plant of Birophyllum. So look at this image. Small birds grow on its edge of this leaf, है ना? And these birds develop into tiny plant. They fall on the soil and they grow into new plants. Okay, so which plant reproduce through leaves? Birophyllum. Where do birds grow in Birophyllum? On the margin of the leaves. So Birophyllum reproduce through leaves and a new plant grows from the bird on the leaves of Birophyllum. Okay. Now this is which you need to do, and the rest of the session we will do in the next Bye bye. See you in the next session.